Greetings! This is Mrs. Broom with instructions on how to access the textbook. So once you're in Launchpad, you're going to click on the BPS HMH app. Yours may say something different besides ELA, but that's okay. You're going to click on that. You're going to pull down over here or wherever it is located for you, and you're going to find Florida Collections Grade 9. You're going to come over to the student ebook, and you're going to go to the top. We are starting from the back of the textbook because that's the easiest and most interesting according to students over the past 5 years here at Eau Gallie High School. So we're looking at the epic. Hey, that's a little bit small. So we're going to take this page and we're going to increase the page view. And there is a little button over here that says page view. There's a tool for notes, bookmarking pages, and looking at other resources that are available. If you have to search a different collection within the collections textbook, then you can come up here and flip to a different collection. In English class, we will be starting with Heroes and Quests, then moving on to Sweet Sorrow, and then A Matter of Life and Death, and then Finding Common Ground. These are the mandatory pieces of the curriculum here in Brevard County, and we will cover all of them this year. So that's how you access your textbook. And there's another way to access your textbook. I'm going to show you that real quick. Hang tight. All right, from Focus in the student section where you see your classes, you'll see that a teacher has a web page linked. There's news and resources. You won't see settings, that's just for the teacher. So when you come over here to resources, it's going to show you a couple of different things. You won't see the create resources tab because this is the teacher side. You'll see helpful information and course information. Click on the course information. If you want a PDF of the textbook that you can read from your telephone, it's right here. Collection 6 has been uploaded for you. All you have to do is click on it and allow it to open. It's going to take a long time to open depending on your processing speed, the processing speed of your computer, but let it roll and then you'll be able to scroll through the pages. Now, you're looking at the PDF of a portion of the textbook. You're not looking at the HMH interactive textbook. So the audio features won't be there. If we go back to the student textbook, we have a little audio feature once the text starts. Not through the background information, but once the actual text of the Odyssey starts or any other selection that you're looking at, you'll know that the audio will be highlighted and you'll be able to click and the textbook will read to you. There is a feature in PDF where the PDF will read to you, but it sounds like a robot, and it's not as wonderful as the professional readers of the textbook. Another feature of your online textbook, which is super awesome, is this close read feature. So throughout the student textbook, you'll see this, and then you can click on this and you'll have two people dialoguing with each other and explaining a little bit more of the complexity of the text. That's how to find your textbook online. I hope this information is helpful.